I am Dr. Arafat Bunu, a urologist from Kenya, and I'd like to share my experience of endourology training at Saxena Multispecialty Hospital and SHIMIST Center. So I came to SHIMIST 3 months. I came to SHIMIST for 3 months training in endourology, and I can say for sure that it has been an awesome experience. I can confidently say that I feel that I am now more competent and I can perform most of the endourology procedures independently. So with the help of my mentor, Dr. Akhil Saxena, and my immediate senior colleague, Dr. Vikrant, my skills in TURP, 2RBT, URSL, retrograde intrarenal surgeries, and even PCNL have improved tremendously. Yeah, so during the period of my training, I was also lucky to have participated in a 5-day intensive training course in Urogynae, which was sponsored by Kiel, Germany, and it was amazing. So at SHIMIST, I have also gained some basic laparoscopic skills, including port placement, endosuturing, and laparoscopic urologic procedures, such as laparoscopic ureterolithotomy, laparoscopic ureterolysis, and even laparoscopic batch colpor suspension. So in summary, all I can say is that my stay and training at SHIMIST was fabulous, and many thanks to my mentor, Dr. Akhil Saxena, Dr. Vikrant, and also the hospital coordinator, Lucky Malik, and also the rest of the staff. So I think SHIMIST is one of the excellent training center, and anyone who wants to learn or upgrade his or her skills in endourology should come here for the training. Thank you.